Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for Azure 70-533 Infrastructure as a Service. In this video, we will see how to manage users and groups in Azure Active Directory. Well, if this is a directory, we have the ways we can use groups and users and assign few policies to both of them. So without wasting any more time, let's log into the portal and continue. Okay, so I am logged into the Azure portal. And you see okay, so this is the directory. I'm logged into the Azure portal. I clicked on Azure Active Directory and I got to this screen. So here's the users tab. I am onto the default directory. If you see, this is my default directory, and I have an option to switch directory. It says the portal will show data only for these subscription pay as you go. Don't see a subscription switch to another directory. I can make a directory and then I would have an option to switch to that directory. But I only have this directory, and in the one Azure subscription, that is why I'm able to see only one directory. Okay, so this is for Azure AD free version. So I only see this user now. Let's say I have a new user join in my company. I will have the right to add this user. Let's say John at live.com. Do not want to update his first name, last name, or if I want to do it, I can do. So I have to microsofton.com, use that name. Let me check it. On Microsoft.com. Okay, John. I think it will not take it. v-2azurelive.com is something my domain name. I'm sorry I don't remember it. I do not want to configure the profile. I do not have a group, directory, role. I want to give this user a user or a limited user. You can browse to this URL and see what is the different directory roles and what kind of access the user would have if I would assign a different role to that user. Application administrator. Can have the billing advice, device administrator, directory readers, so many roles, so many options. So I was finally able to copy paste my domain name. Yes, I know you're clapping for me, and I say thank you for that. So you can click here to show password so that you can share this password with the user. I say create. My user has been successfully created. Let's say this user has joined my company in the IT field. So I want to assign the permissions on that basis of the group Azure ADDC administrators. I am that super user, the global administrator. Group type be security. I will let you know the difference between Office 365. See, whether you have Office 365, whether you have Microsoft Azure, these are both tenants, and if you of the public or the hybrid or the private cloud that Microsoft offers you. So if you use Office 365 or Secure or Azure, the user you would have to be made in Azure Active Directory. Okay. Group name, let's say IT. Group description, IT members. Membership type is assigned. So okay, I pick up the group the user here. I select it, it would be added. So I've done two things simultaneously. I have created the group and I have added my user John to this IT group. Channel settings of the group, I'll let you know. So this is the simplest way to create a user, assign it to the group, and then make a group. Okay, so I hope this was informative to all of you, and I'll see you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my videos. Please mention in your feedback in the comment section, and we would be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you. Have a great day.